Automating a 5 to 6 figure reselling business. Day in the life of an AI engineer. Today, I'm rebuilding an old e-commerce operation around the new agentic systems that I'm building. ChaseOS Hermes agent. You guys have probably seen the workstation beforehand, so this is where it's all going to go down. And let's get straight into it. Right here in this video, you see ChaseOS and Hermes controlling my CapCut, literally editing the last video that we uploaded. So this is just the tool stack that we're going to use throughout all of this build. ChaseOS holds the context, the memories, how it should be applied. Hermes agent is going to be the one doing the orchestration, the agentic movements. Controlling my computer to upload on eBay, Vinted, all the platforms that we're going to need relevant. Hermes has gone through the archives of my computer to find the old images for our e-commerce side of the business. I use ChaseOS again just to prepare you this little video to give you context. So the architecture starts with physical inventory, old marketplace accounts, purchase records, and the resale rules I already know. ChaseOS keeps the business context organized. Hermes carries the bounded browser and computer actions. And then with all that being said, we're then going to make a software called MarginFlip. Now this is going to be where I manage my dashboard, my inventory, etc. So later on, I'm going to get my meta glasses out, and then I'm going to start taking pictures, videos, images of all the SKU codes. Now this is ChaseOS, guys. When you start using it, pretty much all the knowledge that I was talking about, all the context will be in the knowledge graph, so you see how everything connects together. I'm also going to make a business out of the software we make to manage the inventory. So I've called it MarginFlip. Right here you see me defining it, and then I've gone to get a domain. This is the logo at first, just a standalone logo, and then this is the logo of the text right here. The same day we made this logo, we're going to make the website live. So now let's start to record the inventory. Now first the shoes, we got New Balances, Nikes, we're going to get Jordans, all of them. Then I need to get to my fitted caps. You're going to see that a little bit later. So this took a little while, probably the longest bit, because everything else is going to be done with our systems that we have in place, the automations. That's all the reselling items covered, so let's go back to the e-commerce. So I found an old receipt of my first batch that I ordered for that business. Now I'm going to give it straight to Hermes, and then it makes this little graph right here where I can see the old prices and new price it recommends. Now let's go back to MarginFlip.com. We bought a domain name, and this is the development of it. As you can see, it looks quite well. It's basically specific to what we need it for. And guys, look, the website's already live, so I'm preparing it so anyone can use it later on. Hermes agent then made a Chrome profile on my computer, gave it this custom logo, and pretty much when I logged onto that profile, that's from where it's going to control automate it every single day. I have to log into every single platform, so Vinted, eBay, Grailed, Depop, any platform you can imagine, and even the Amazon side of things. I have to log into every single account, and from there, after that, it's then going to be able to manage it, upload items autonomously. But right now, as I said, just need to prepare the item list. So this is me going into old accounts, just making sure it's correct. We see the past sales, so we know everything's correct here. Now let's move forward. Hermes agent is preparing now for the listings, so it gave me a literal list of the order it's gonna go by it. Now already, most of my eBay items are already listed. Let's say for resale, but not for the others. So after I've gone through this list, I have to do some specifications like the quantity, size of some certain items. But after we get that done, now it's time for the automated listing. So let me fast forward to where we have proof of that. Hermes has just listed the dog thrower, so let's look at the eBay link, make sure everything's fine. And as you see here, right here, everything's good. It even told me our AI generated pictures weren't good enough. So after that's done and running, I'm pretty much done for now. I can go back to development of something else major, and then look at me just kicking rocks, playing some games. Obviously we're going to go to Run Club. Next video, I'm going to show you the next processes, because every single lane of our businesses has developed. So you guys will see me soon.